Theta value equivalent to $0.6458 a coin. The present range, 63 cents 65 cents. The earlier day close, 63 cents. The change was plus 0.0059, plus 0.92%. Reverse rate, USD to Theta, which is very huge. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at $0.83. Most extreme cost 95 cents. Kind of least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 68 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for June 41.0% in an unobtrusive manner. Theta to USD expectations for July 2023, which is very critical. At the outset cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 52 cents. Least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 45 cents, which is genuinely critical. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 41 cents. Change for July 16.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at $0.41, which is genuinely huge. Greatest cost 41 cents. Truly least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 38 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 35 cents. Change for August 14.6%, which for the most part is very critical. Theta to USD expectations for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.35. Greatest cost 35 cents. Least cost 31 cents. The sort of normal for the month 34 cents, which is genuinely critical. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents. Change for September 5.7%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.33. Greatest cost 33 cents. Least cost 29 cents in an unobtrusive way. The normal for the month 32 cents, which is genuinely huge. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 31 cents. Change for October 6.1%. Theta to USD expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at $0.31. Most extreme cost 36 cents. Kind of least cost 31 cents. The especially normal for the month 33 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 34 cents. Change for November 9.7%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at $0.34, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 42 cents, extremely least cost 34 cents, which is very huge. The normal for the month 37 cents, which is genuinely huge. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 39 cents. Change for December 14.7% in a by and large enormous manner. Theta to USD expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.39, which by and large is very huge. Most extreme cost 39 cents. By and large least cost 31 cents. The sort of normal for the month 36 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents. Change for January 15.4%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.33 in a significant manner. Greatest cost 33 cents. Least cost 26 cents in an unpretentious way. The normal for the month 30 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for February 15.2% in a really significant manner. Theta to USD expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $0.28, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Most extreme cost 32 cents. Truly least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 30 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents. Change for spring 7.1%, which most certainly is very huge. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at $0.30, or so they generally thought. Most extreme cost 30 cents. Least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for April 6.7%. Theta to USD expectations for May 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. To start with cost at $0.28 in an especially enormous manner. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 22 cents. The kind of normal for the month 26 cents, which is very critical. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 24 cents. Change for May 14.3%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024, which is genuinely critical. Initially cost at $0.24. Most extreme cost 29 cents. Least cost 24 cents in a significant way. The essentially normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for June 12.5%. Theta to USD expectations for July 2025 incredibly. To start with cost at $0.13. Greatest cost 14 cents. least cost 12 cents. The especially normal for the month 13 cents incredibly. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13 cents. Change for July 0.0%, which is very critical. USD to Theta swapping scale especially equivalent to 1.5485 Thetas per $1, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 1.5291-1.5727. The past day, S nearby 1.5628. Change for now 0.0143, 0.92%. USD to Theta expectations for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.205 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.174. Least 1.053. The normal for the month 1.618. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 2.041. Change for June 69.4%, or so they thought. At the outset cost at 2.041 Thetas in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost 2.632, especially least 1.923. The normal for the month 2.259. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 2.439. Change for July 19.5%. USD to Theta expectations for August 2023. Before all else cost at 2.439 Thetas in an unobtrusive manner. Greatest cost 3.030, especially least 2.439. The normal for the month 2.691 in an unpretentious manner. The USD to Theta estimate toward the month's end 2.857. Change for August 17.1%. Dollar to Theta estimate for September 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking. First and foremost cost at 2.857 Thetas, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 3.226, least 2.857. The normal for the month 2.993. The USD to Theta estimate toward the month's end 3.030. Change for September 6.1%. USD to Theta expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at 3.030 Thetas. Most extreme cost 3.448, least 3.030, which is genuinely huge. The normal for the month 3.184. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 3.226. Change for October 6.5%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 3.226 Thetas, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Most extreme cost 3.226, essentially least 2.778. The normal for the month 3.043. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 2.941. Change for November 8.8% amazingly. USD to Theta expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at 2.941 Thetas, which is genuinely huge. Most extreme cost 2.941. Fundamentally least 2.381, which especially is genuinely critical. The normal for the month 2.707 incredibly. The USD to Theta gauge toward the month's end 2.564. Change for December 12.8%. Dollar to Theta gauge for January 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset cost at 2.564 Thetas, in spite of prevalent thinking.